Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while since I've put a video out, and today is the startup of the new series, A John Deere. So, first off, I'm currently dumping the oil. I need to get some light in there so you guys can see better. I've got some more parts coming in the mail today, and well, not in the mail, through FedEx. So, yeah, this is what's going on. Basically, I realized that if I waited to do this till summer, it wouldn't happen because we got a lot of work to do this summer on the farm. So if I do it now, it'll happen. If you guys don't know, last year I fixed this tractor up a bit, got it to the point where it was running, ran it for like 2 weeks, and then it started giving me a whole bunch of issues. So then it just got parked last year, and this year I ordered all the parts for it, and it'll be time to install them. So first things first, I changed the oil last year. I'm changing it again because that was only meant to be a clean out cycle through the whole oil system, just to kind of clean out all the nasty gunk that was sitting in there through the 20 years it just sat doing nothing. So I did that, but it gained itself a leak in the okay, so I just heard something. What I heard was there was a leak in the rear axle right here, and a leak in the clutch pulley right there. As you can see, I got some of the parts right up there from the Deere dealer, and I got some more parts on the way from Steiner Tractor Parts. So they'll be here soon, and then I'll show you what we got. So right here is the clutch drum, as you can see, and it's got this gasket that goes between this dust cover right here on the tractor, and then this clutch pulley slides over the crankshaft right there. So I pulled this off because I'm trying to diagnose what is leaking on this whole system. I don't know, something's telling me, by what I saw from last year and this year, I think it's from somewhere in here or in here somewhere. I'll have to do some extra looking, but it's something wrong with it. But yeah. Alright guys, we got all of our parts right here, and I'm going to show you what all we got. So to start off, we're going to start off with parts we got from the Deere dealer. So, we got ourselves 2 felt seals for the rear axle. Very nice. And then we also got ourselves 2 oil seals. So these are different for the rear axle. We got these. I can't quite tell what they are in the packaging. You could probably recognize them once. These might be felt retainers, I think, but yeah. And then we got 4 of these bearings. I'll show you what they look like. Here's what the bearings look like. Okay, we got 4 of those for the rear axle, 2 for each side, I believe. Yep. And then also we got 4. Let me find it. Just a minute. Let me find which one I opened. There we go. 4 of these things are called races. They're for the we call it race for the bearing. It's what the bearing goes in. So we got 4 of those. So that's all right there. Let's put all these parts back in the container here. All right, now get that out of the way. Hydraulic filter for the tractor. Right here, little thingy. Look at that. Alright, now onto Steiner parts. Let's start off with the first thing. This right here is a Carburetor Repair Kit. It's got all the little parts in there, from the bowl nut that goes in the bottom to the idle screw, load screw, the throttle, and the choke. We got everything in there. So that's going to help out with some issues I had on the carburetor. It's right here. So for the clutch fork on the tractor, the clutch fork, this is a gasket that holds the cover, that goes between the cover and everything. So I decided I would get one because I had just taken that piece off. So I decided just to keep trouble from occurring. Right here, the new brake pad for the clutch pulley. It goes on the clutch, the little brake, and then I think it's time for a repair. Now this here I'm not ready to use yet. This is an extra set of spark plug wires I got just to have on hand because I don't know. I just want to make sure nothing happens, so I decided just to get one of these to have on hand. Choke cable, because I wanted to put a choke cable on the tractor, so this will sure help. There we go. Here's the, yeah, right there. So in this box right here, this is a seal for the crankshaft next to the flywheel. So that's nice. Right here, in this little box here, is a bearing for the front steering column. The reason why we got it is because I wanted to have one in hand, but also the other reason is, well, it's just because, well, when we first got everything together in the cart, it had said everything. It had already said everything that basically that we had gotten. It showed the price, but it showed if you were to just spend a little bit more, you would get free shipping. So we got that. Pto Oil Seal, PTO shaft, that'll go around the PTO shaft to keep it from, you know, just leaking. Right here is another thing I got that I'm really excited about. It's called a dipstick conversion kit. It goes on the engine. It's basically a little conversion kit, basically. Here's the dipstick, and that's how much oil you got. It's really nice, and I can't wait to put it on the tractor. This is going to be really awesome. Yeah, it also comes with a little gasket in there too, so that's nice. All right, now this back in the package. We only got another thing. I got one more thing to show you. It's in this box right here. So it's got a couple other things right here. Right here is just a well. Here's the invoice to it. All right. Now we got one more thing to show you. Show it to you here in a minute. This. So when we open it up, first we got this. This is a gasket for this water pump. Yeah, I did it. I got a water pump for this thing because the old water pump was leaking and getting worn out. So I decided, you know what? It's probably time to upgrade. So I upgraded to this baby. This thing is kind of heavy. So yeah, that's that. So that's all the parts we bought for this tractor. Interesting? Well, thanks for watching, everyone, on this episode. I know I didn't get too much done on the tractor in this episode. This was kind of just an introduction and kind of just everything on what's going on. There will be a new video coming out soon because I've got a lot of work that I'm still going to do on the tractor. Haven't even done much of it, actually. So see you next time.